Hello. Today I am fulfilling a friend's request to microwave a banana for about a minute. Now the requirements is that I microwave it for a total of 1 minute. So what I'm going to do to mitigate the potential bursting of the banana is I'll put it in the microwave in 15-second bursts, as well as kind of already peeling the banana already so that it doesn't implode. Afterwards, I will be consuming it and giving it a review. For reference, lengthwise, this banana is about, I'd say, 6 inches erect. 6 inches erect. I would know. Yeah. So let's let's start this. All right. So set for 15. See what happens. Banana wise, it's looking okay. Not bad. All right. And wow, it's cooking. Let's go for another one. It smells kind of warm. All right, not yeah. You know what? Yeah, it smells kind of warm, and it feels kind of banana-y, and it's making some noises, sizzling, but it's okay. So 30 seconds in, and oh shit, it's getting hotter. I hope this works. Okay. I really hope this works. I'm kind of scared because it's fine. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So, oh god. So with our progress, it's kind of steamy, right? I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you can't see this, but there's some visible bruising that I did not cause, and it's causing that. So, one more, 15 more seconds, okay? So, anyways, I'm excited for this, and just so that my audience knows, I today just accepted a full-time offer as a social media manager, and super happy about it. And now let's check the banana. Okay. All right. So, this is so weird. Holy crap. Okay. So there's a lot more bruising or a lot more darkening of the peel just around it. It's so weird. What the heck? Okay. And I'm gonna. I can't eat this as is. I'm gonna need to use like a fork and knife probably because it's really hot and I don't want to keep y'all waiting. Back, fork and knife, okay? And let me just lower this a bit. And here we go. Yeah. Okay. Alright, oh shit. Okay. Alright. First bite. Wow, this banana is okay. It's very mushy. It's pretty easy to cut through and kind of taste test, right? It smells like a cooked banana. So it kind of smells like banana bread. Okay. Have you ever had banana bread? Like, you know how like the bread has like an inherent savory flavor to it? Okay, so there's like that kind of profile, right? There's like a savory component. There's a not so sweet um, taste at first. There's like a hint of banana, but overall it kind of tastes like I added butter to this banana. It's very easy to eat. It doesn't taste bad. Um, yeah, whoa. Wait, actually, hold on. This actually is not that bad. It's kind of mushy. Actually, no, it's really mushy. It's very mushy. Yeah. It really just tastes like mushed up bananas. You know, yeah, crumple banana up or squish it up, and you'll get this texture. And then it's just hot. You know. Oh shoot. Yeah. So overall, not bad. I would give this 6 out of 10. I've had better stuff. Um, but yeah, for the most part, I'm gonna. Do I want to finish this? I'm gonna finish this. Yeah. I don't know how the audio is gonna sound like, but maybe this could be an ASMR video. Maybe. I don't know. I didn't think this through, but I'm gonna finish this banana. And like I said, the peel is just it's just getting darker. Dude, honestly, I gave the banana peel. I think I gave it like radiation sickness or something like that. I hope I don't get radiation sickness from this. But, you live and you learn. Oh, I also want to let you guys know that um, it's been a year. For those of you longtime viewers, for those of you who have watched my videos for at least a year now, is the 1 year. I think the one. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, 1 year anniversary of since I took a 1 year after I've taken. I don't know what I want to say. It's the 1 year anniversary of me taking a dump in my school's library, and man, what a year! Yeah, I didn't realize I would get this far. Also, is this dripping? What the hell? Oh. Man, that's kind of hot. Yeah. Pro tip too, for those who are job hunting and interviewing. Never eat a banana right before an interview. I did that for like a back-to-back interview, so like I ate it during the intermission, and I wanted to barf. Yeah, just stick to not a banana as an intermediate snack. But anyways, I finished it. Here we go. Poor banana. Thank you for being my science experiment. And yeah, if you have any requests for me to do that are not too dangerous, comment or message me. If you know me in real life, just tell me, But yeah, had fun. Hope my friend who sees this is satisfied with how I did this, and catch you guys later.
all the glitter.
It's not gold. Nah, gold is not reality. Real is what you lays on me.